Hey guys, this is Steven from Em Carnivorium. Today we're going to be discussing a very interesting topic. We're going to go over some data from some experiments that we did about fertilizing Venus flytrap seedlings. I do want to introduce Evan from Em Carnivorium.
Hey guys.
And so during COVID, during the pandemic, we were doing school remotely, as a lot of school districts were doing that. And during that time period, we did some experiments. Evan actually worked on some of his own experiments where he looked at fertilizing Venus flytrap seedlings, and we're going to present that data today. Evan?
Please subscribe and hit that like button below. Hey guys, this is Evan from Em Carnivorium. Today we're going to talk about an experiment that we did in the winter of 2020. The experiment is about Venus flytrap seedlings and fertilizer. My hypothesis for this experiment was that the more maxi we use, the larger the plant will be, but to a point where too much maxi will hurt the plant. For our methods, we water germinated our own seeds, which was Filiformis X Royal Red. All our plants were germinated at the same time and were placed in peat-based media. All our seedlings were grown indoor under LED grow lights in the winter. We used Maxi foliar spray, all-purpose 16-16-16. We used it once every 2 weeks with different concentrations. This is how we did a foliar spray. We use varying concentrations of Maxi, which include a 0, which is our control group, a 1/4 teaspoon per gallon, a 1/2 teaspoon per gallon, 1 teaspoon per gallon, 2 teaspoons per gallon, and 3 teaspoons per gallon. Every week, we measure the largest trap in each pot using scientific calipers. And if you want to see where the scientific calipers are, there's going to be a link below for them. Measurements were taken every week from week 2 to 14. Time 0 is when we transfer the water germinated plants into the peat-based media. The plants were moved outdoors in the spring. For each week, I color-coded the seedlings and placed them onto a chart. But after looking at this, it's better to do a graph than a chart. As you can see on this graph, between 6 to 8 weeks, the red line is starting to go up. The red line represents 3 teaspoons per gallon of Maxi. You can also see a purple line going up, which ends at 11 weeks. That is 2 teaspoons per gallon of Maxi. At 11 weeks, we had a problem with the experiment because the 2 teaspoons per gallon of Maxi dried out. So we had to remove the pot from the experiment. So as you can see, on week 10, the 3 and 2 teaspoons per gallon of Maxi are starting to take off. We moved the plants out in the spring, and here are some pictures of them at 9 months. This is our control group, which is 0 teaspoons per gallon of Maxi. This is our 1/4 teaspoon per gallon of Maxi. This is our 1/2 teaspoon per gallon of Maxi. This is our 1 teaspoon per gallon of Maxi. This is our 3 teaspoons per gallon of Maxi. But remember, the 2 teaspoons per gallon of Maxi was removed. Our conclusion was that 3 teaspoons per gallon of Maxi gave us the best growth if we fertilize it once every 2 weeks. There are some limitations for the experiment. A, we never found the upper limit of Maxi we could give. B, we lost the data set for 2 teaspoons per gallon of Maxi at 11 weeks. C, we took measurements for the largest trap in each pot, but this could lead to sampling error. But if you look at the photos, most of the trap sizes are consistent in each pot. For the next experiment, we're going to increase the concentration of Maxi to see if there's an upper limit.
Hey guys, it's Emmy from Em Carnivorium. I hope you enjoyed this video and I learned a lot from this experiment. And please smash that like button and smash that subscribe button because we are giving out free plants and free seeds to 2 lucky subscribers in the US.